Welcome to the How Do I series for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2013. My name is Vyacheslav Babic. I'm a Microsoft Dynamics NAV MVP, and in this webcast I'll demonstrate how to visualize NAV query data in Excel by using the PowerView feature. At the end of this short video, you will have a simple PowerView sheet in Excel that presents data from NAV. The view shows profit per country, allows you to filter by salesperson and customer groups, and visualizes the data in an intuitive way over a geographical map. In the course of this video, I will introduce the PowerView feature and shortly describe its capabilities. Then I'll publish a query as an OData web service, and finally I'll connect to this OData web service from Excel and visualize the data in a PowerView sheet. I'll do this in 3 easy steps. The first step is to create a query and publish it as an OData web service. In the development environment, I'm creating a new query. I'm defining the customer data item, and then I'm going to use the field menu to add some fields to the query. Then I save the query as 50,001 customer sales. And then I'm going to run the query to verify that I'm getting the results that I expected. Okay, my query results are here. My next step is going to be to publish the query as a web service. So I'm searching for the web services page. Then I'm going to click on New and then define a new query, 50,001. I'm going to look for it. And finally, I'm defining the service name, customer sales. I'm clicking publish to make sure that it is available as a web service. My next step is to verify in the Internet Explorer that I can actually use this query as an OData web service. So I'm browsing to the URL. I can verify that the customer sales query is available. And then I'm just going to run the query directly to see the results in Internet Explorer. Now that the query is completed, my next step is to create a new Excel workbook and insert a PowerView sheet into it. I'm starting Excel, then clicking blank workbook, and then I click Insert and PowerView. PowerView is an interactive data exploration, visualization, presentation and ad hoc reporting feature of Excel 2013. It is based on data models and can use external data sources such as OData feeds, including those published by NAV 2013. When you insert your first PowerView sheet, Excel asks you to enable the PowerView add-in. Click Enable. PowerView is using Silverlight, so if you do not have Silverlight installed, you have to click Install Silverlight and then click Reload. Now with PowerView enabled and Silverlight installed, you're ready to go. My last step is to establish a data connection from Excel directly to my new OData source and visualize the data in the PowerView. First, you need to define some data to work with. Click Power Pivot, then click Manage. Then click Get External Data from Data Service and from OData Feed. In the data feed URL, I'll paste my customer sales data feed. I'm going to click Next and Finish. This loads my OData web service data from NAV into Power Pivot of Excel. I'm going to close the Power Pivot definition, and now I have to refresh my data model. So I can see that my customer sales query data is now available in my PowerView fields. I'm going to rename my PowerView sheet into Profit by Country. Then I'm going to specify country region code as my main dimension. Okay, I do not want to see textual data, so I'm going to click Map because I want to represent my data geographically. This asks me if I want to enable geocoding by Bing. So I'll first drag and resize my map, and then I'm going to enable the content. So this immediately loads the data and visualizes it using Bing geocoding. So I'm going to add profit in local currency as my main measure. Then I'm going to add name of the customer as my color, and this basically shows me my chart by geography and by customer. I'm going to add some filters, customer discount group. I can immediately see if the filter works. Yes, it obviously does. Then I'm going to add another filter for my salesperson code. I can adjust the zoom level of my map to the desired position. I can test if the salesperson code filter works. And that was my simple PowerView. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you around in another How Do I episode for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2013. Happy Power Viewing!